Thank you for your purchase on Xtreme 3-in-1 Tricycle. This tricycle comes with attractive looks, strong body base, foldable umbrella, wide wheelbase at back for a perfect riding balance. This tricycle is easy to assemble by following some simple steps. You will also need a piler, screwdriver and a hex key. To begin with, take the main body and place seat to main body with eye nuts. Then insert front wheel complete to main body. Now insert battery to the handle and close the battery cover with the help of provided screws. In the next step, place handle to fork with the help of clamp and nut bolt. Now place handle clamp cap and lock it. Now place footrest to the main body with the help of nut and screw. Now is the time to place hand rest to main body, lock it with the help of push buttons. In the next step, insert flute pipe to main body and fix it with the provided screw and lock button. Now fix movement rod to flute pipe with the help of provided nuts on both back side and on the handle. It's time to place parental handle to flute pipe and fix it by lock button. In the next step, place rear wheels to the main body with the help of axle pins on both the side. It is easy to lock it by just pushing it to the main body and lock it. Place rear wheel caps to the wheels in the next step. In the final step, place umbrella to main body with the help of lock button. Your beautiful Xtreme 3-in-1 tricycle is now ready to ride.